guys, Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 to 72 GM A-body convertible pinchweld moldings by RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Manufactured to original specifications, these are authentically reproduced using roll-form stainless steel, just like the factory did. At the end of the production line, each pinchweld molding is brilliantly finished and polished to perfection. Authenticity is important to us, so we recently introduced brand new tooling to ensure that every pinchweld molding includes all the correct curves and molded bends exactly where they should be. This allows a smooth installation as each piece fits together perfectly. These moldings can also be found on our 1965 Malibu SS, our 1970 Oldsmobile 442, and our 1972 Chevelle SS. Several years later, and all three still look amazing. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.